किरदार से आदि वो सदाकत की में उनकी तस्वीर से बदल में हो सके। Today I feel proud to say a few words in honor of our teacher, Sir Muhammad Sheikh Sir Ayahan. A teacher is not only source of knowledge but also a guide, mentor, and inspiration. For teacher has also supported us with a vision, kindness, and dedication. Through hard work and sincerity, they have shaped our life and helped us to become a better student and better being. देखा न कोई गुण कोई फरियाद के बगैर, देखा न कोई गुण कोई फरियाद के बगैर, आता नहीं ये फन कोई उस्ताद के बगैर. Respected teacher, we are truly respectful for your guidance, encouragement, and endless reward. Your lesson will remain us with us throughout our life. Thank you, respected teacher, for everything you have done for us. You always believe in our heart. May you both live long. Amen. तालीम को लिखेंगे अगर ताज महल हम, तालीम को लिखेंगे अगर ताज महल हम, इस बेहतर गज़ीज़ को इनाम देंगे. उस्ताद की अज़मत को दादो मिनट दो, उस्ताद की